2005 Caterpillar 14H VHP motor grader for sale in Powell, Wyoming 82435. Get ready to maximize your efforts in the field with this 2005 Caterpillar 14H VHP motor grader. Powered by a strong diesel engine that is mated with a totally rebuilt transmission and finals after last season ended. This durable motor grader has been very well maintained, which has enabled its excellent condition. It comes fully loaded with options and features that are perfect for any hard-working individual. Highlights include multi/shank grip or push block tremble machine control with antennas, enclosed drops, and with 14,588 hours on frame. You can rest assured that this 14H VHP will be hard at work for many years to come. This 2005 Caterpillar 14H VHP motor grader is ready to get to work for you. It is field ready and eager to help you start generating revenue right away. If you are someone who appreciates quality equipment at a fraction of the cost, then you owe it to yourself to check out this 2005 Caterpillar 14H VHP motor grader. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to gain industry success, because this motor grader is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can put this industrious 2005 Caterpillar 14H VHP motor grader to work for you.